Today we're going to go over the installation of the JLT cold air intake for your 2018 TrackHawk. For this job you're going to need a regular screwdriver, a 5/16 or 8mm nut driver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. The kit comes with your choice of red oiled filter, blue oiled filter, or a white dry, and we also have pre-filters available that will help your filter last longer. This particular customer is getting the hydrocarbon version. They're also available in a body color or in a textured black finish. Kit comes complete with our fully wraparound heat shield, gaskets, IAT sensor adapter, coupler, and all needed hardware. The first thing we need to do is remove the stock air box. You're going to loosen up the clamp at the throttle body. You're going to unplug the mass air, squeeze and pull and unhook the PCV valve, remove the coupler, the factory hose from the throttle body itself, and you're going to take your air box and just pull straight up. You're going to remove the PCV connection from the factory rubber inlet, and that's going to go in the grommet in the JLT. You're also going to remove your inlet air temp sensor. It's a twist and pull. Now you're going to take the tube and the supplied gasket. You're going to line that up on there. Take the billet aluminum IAT adapter, put that on there, and fasten it with the supplied screws. Now you can go ahead and insert the sensor into the aluminum adapter. Go ahead and make sure that the O-ring follows in and seals, and it's a twist and lock. Take a regular screwdriver and you're going to remove the push pin that's holding the washer neck to the radiator support. Pull out the top and then remove the whole pin. We're going to use that to hold down the heat shield. We're going to splice in pictures, but the radiator hose clamp, the top clamp, you're going to squeeze that clamp and you're going to rotate it up. We'll show you that now. Now you're going to take this part of the shield, go in between the upper radiator hose and the coolant tank, and bring it down. In the back here there's a locator pin on the shock tower and a hole in the heat shield. Lock that into position. Now you're going to take that same push pin that held the tank to the radiator support and lock that into place. Take the supplied push nut and lock that on to the stud on the apron. Now go ahead and put the silicone reducer onto the tube. Leave everything loose so you can make adjustments. You're going to bring one end into the heat shield and lock the other end onto the throttle body. And go ahead and lightly snug down just this clamp. Bring your filter in. Go ahead and put that on the tube. You can tighten that up. It's finger tight. The PCV line is a hard line and it swivels at both ends. So you'll swivel this around in the tube, whether it be down at the valve cover side or here, and get it to where it connects with the fitting on the JLT. You can hear that snap. Now you can go ahead, twist your coupler, twist your tubes. For best fit. You're dealing with a couple of different angles here, so you could get this on where it looks like it's not lining up, but then you give that a twist and give this a twist, and then you got it. Go ahead and plug your inlet air temp sensor back in, and you're done. If you have any questions on the installation of this product, you can reach us at www.jlttruecoldair.com. Phone number is 757-335-1940. and there is also an email on the direction sheet of your intake.